Alright, so the second stage in cellular respiration is the Krebs cycle, the first being glycolysis and the third being electron transport chain, which Jason and Abby will be telling you about. So the Krebs cycle is its main job is to get, it does produce some ATP, which is energy, but its main job is to get, right here, FADH2 and NADH to the electron transport chain so it can, which is what the electron transport chain uses to make even more ATP. So the Krebs cycle starts with pyruvates, which are 3 carbon atoms from glycolysis, and one is actually chopped off here. This is then taken out by your body as CO2, and here there is actually an NADH that is made from the carbon being split off. And what makes this a cycle is after this double carbon compound here is mixed, it's acetyl-CoA, and it is picked up by the oxaloacetate, which picks this up to make this right here, which is citrate or citric acid, which is in orange juice. The main part of the Krebs cycle that will be giving energy is when these carbon atoms here, these yellow ones, get cleaved off by enzyme reactions, and they give away CO2. There's 3 CO2 given off every cycle, and since there is 6 carbons per the glucose, there'd be 2 pyruvates, which means this cycle is completed twice per glucose. So there's 3 CO2 given off. There will be 6 NADHs and 2 FADH2s plus 2 ATPs given. So again, the main point of the Krebs cycle is to give NADH and FADH2 to the electron transport chain. As this goes around, it starts with the 2, and the carbons are chopped off by enzyme reactions again. Once it gets back here, it is just back to the original, it started with the oxaloacetate, and it will pick up another pyruvate from glucose being digested. So a thing I would compare it to would be a bus, which I drew here. So you would like have it starting here, and the bus would come over here and pick up people, and that would be like carbon atoms, and then it would drop off the people, giving away energy. So as I'm eating this awesome spaghetti, my body is making ATP. So biology. Yep, again, the main part of the Krebs cycle is the carbon atoms being turned into ATP, and mainly NADH and FADH2 to be transferred to the electron transport chain.